Greetings and welcome to another edition of Birdview tutorials and feature enhancements. Birdview makes creating activities or building out a work breakdown structure, or WBS, on a project very easy. You have the option to select the plus sign in the multi-selector column. Here, you click on Add Activity or choose the Project Detail ellipsis icon to be able to perform the exact same function. To add a child activity or a sub-activity, use the Activity Details ellipsis icon to select the Add Sub-Activity option. Or from the multi-selector column, choose the plus sign again to add a sub-activity. An activity in Birdview is not just limited to the creation of tasks. It can also be used to track change requests. When selecting to add an activity, select the details and change the activity type from a task to a request. This way, any change request can be filtered and tracked separately on the same project. Similarly, if you need to track issues that arise from these change requests or issues in general, switch the activity type to an issue. Alternatively, if the task you are working on is a milestone event, use the diamond shape icon in the task details to denote this in the Activity Center as a milestone. It is important to note that there are no restrictions to the number of levels you can create on a specific activity to build out your WBS. And that's how easy it is to create an activity, be it a parent or a child activity. The information always rolls up from the parent level to the project. We hope you're able to leverage this great new functionality. As always, please continue to share your suggestions or feedback by emailing us at success@birdviewpsa.com. Thank you.